Hi, this is Chase with Modern Exterior. I'm in Jefferson, Wisconsin today, where I just installed some snow guards for a client on their metal roofing system. Snow guards are a great addition to any metal roofing system, especially in the Midwest, just because when there's a lot of snow and ice buildup on metal roofing, since metal roofing, is so slick and smooth, it doesn't have any granules, it doesn't have any grip to it, snow and ice will tend to just slide off, which poses a great safety risk, or even could cause potential damage, to the gutters or anything below it, if the snow and ice just come flying off the roof, which can be quite dangerous, especially, if you're higher up. So basically we install these in a staggered pattern all along the roof line between each seam of the metal. And this just helps, if any snow or ice slides off, it'll catch the snow guards, and it'll alleviate any risk for that snow to, run off, cause damage to the gutters, or hurt or harm or break anything on the ground, you know what I mean? So it's a pretty easy system to install. It comes in a variety of different colors. It's made out of painted aluminum. And the nice thing about these is that they have a washer underneath and a washer on the screws here. So it helps seal everything to the roof. So you don't have to worry about any leaking, through the screw holes that we put into the metal roof. And they're quite strong, so we screw into studs below. So these aren't going to go anywhere, and they can handle, a lot of weight each, especially with a lot of snow. They're a great addition to any metal roofing system, that's for sure.